So guys, today I'll show you this one is now Itel p11. This problem is task not working. So how to remove task and a new task setup. So let's start the video. At first, unplug the screw. I unplug the square and unplug the back part. Unplug the back part safely and unplug the task line. See now, unplug this task line. So soldering this all side soldering and remove task easily. So I soldering at first. That's not working. So soldering at first all side. See now soldering complete, so remove the task. Use any stainless steel. So remove the task. See now, and remove easily your task. I remove this phone task. So see now task is open this phone. So remove this task. Task fully remove and unplug this Raymond. Fully remove this task and new task setup. Clean this all side and use this gum. I all side cleaning and use this gum. You use this here in gum. So cleaning this side all side and I plug in this gum. I use this all side gum and plug in the task. So at first remove this cover. Plug in the Raymond. Raymond and set up this task easily. So wait few seconds and see now task is working or not working. Plug in the Raymond, task Raymond. So plug in the Raymond. Wait few seconds. Raymond plug in, and I check this task working or not working. So back button now.